I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off and disable Discord sharing your activity. And to be clear, you can only do this through the Discord website, and you can't do it using the Discord mobile app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to discord.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Tap the settings icon next to your profile name at the bottom of this screen. The Discord My Account screen opens. Step 3. Navigate to the Activity Settings section and then click Activity Privacy. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Share My Activity. Discord will no longer share your app activity going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.